Gary, what's this new multi-tite fastening system that...
Well, Jill, people have been using our Storm-Tite range of product for 11 to 12 years now and had no problems whatsoever with a leak anywhere in the world, and we export a substantial amount overseas. We took that technology of non-leaking and we developed a new way of doing things, and it's called Multi-Tite because it's multi-purpose. Let me show you. There you are. Now there's the screw gone in. I'd already pre-drilled the hole to save time. Seals completely, no leak, no problem. But look at the difference. It's got a thread coming out of the head. You've now sealed the sheeting, no possible leak. On this thread, you can now attach a number of points. For example, you will into the roofing, on the crest so you get no water penetrating. You take it into the right pressure, and now you can take a number of roof attachments and fit them on it. For example, if you're fitting solar panel, now here you can fit your solar panel with a nut on top, done and finished. However, that's too low because any leaves that land on the roof can't get past underneath it. So you would then take maybe a 50mm extension, riser as we call them, goes in there like that. We take one of these, goes in there like that. You can see how many tools we're using. And now you can mount that on there. Or you can make it that high, or that high, whichever you want. You want to do it at an angle because you're going to go up on the roof. So you take one of these. This is all in 316 stainless. Take that one out. Put this one on. And now you've got a tinkle. Say the roof is at that angle. You can now match whatever angle you want on the roof with the method. And then you can put your plate on there